If you've ever opened HandBrake, tried to encode a video with stylized subtitles, and suddenly got that annoying fatal error, you are definitely not alone. This is especially common with anime-style subtitles or advanced subtitle tracks that use heavy styling, special fonts, outlines, shadows, and lots of formatting. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple fix, why it happens, and how to avoid the crash so you can keep your encode moving without wasting time. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. The reason this happens is because HandBrake can struggle when it tries to burn advanced subtitles directly into a high-resolution video, especially 4K. When you enable burn-in, the software has to render every single subtitle character onto every frame. That means the CPU is doing a lot of extra work, and if the subtitle styling is too complex, or if the font is missing, HandBrake's worker process can crash. That's what leads to the fatal error, so let's fix it the safe way. First, open your project in HandBrake and load the video you want to encode. Once everything is ready, look over to the Subtitles tab. This is where HandBrake handles all subtitle tracks for the file. If you already added a stylized subtitle track, you'll want to find that specific track in the list. Now here's the important part. For that subtitles track, uncheck the burn-in box. This is the setting that forces HandBrake to permanently render the subtitles into the video image itself. Instead, you want to keep the subtitle as a soft track, which means it stays selectable by the viewer and does not need to be drawn onto every frame during encoding. In most cases, this is much safer and far less likely to cause a crash. After unchecking burn-in, make sure the subtitle track is marked as default if you want it to appear automatically when the video plays. If you don't need it to be the default track, you can simply leave it as a normal subtitle track. The key point is to avoid burning it in unless you absolutely have to. If you're working with anime subtitles or any subtitle style that uses a lot of formatting, this is usually the best approach. Soft subtitles preserve the styling inside the track without forcing HandBrake to bake it into the video itself. That means fewer rendering problems, lower CPU stress, and a much better chance that your encode finishes successfully. If you do need burnt-in subtitles for compatibility reasons, try testing with a simpler subtitle track first. Also, make sure the font used by the subtitles is installed on your system, because missing fonts can also trigger errors. But in most cases, simply switching away from burn-in is enough to solve the fatal error caused by stylized subs. So the quick fix is this: go to the Subtitles tab, uncheck burn-in for the track, and either set it as default or leave it as a standard selectable subtitle track. That small change can save you from a lot of frustration and prevent HandBrake from crashing during the encode. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps more people find these quick fixes, and I've got plenty more HandBrake and video editing tutorials coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.